how to take slow motion video on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, let's return back to the home screen. Then open up the camera app. Now in here at the bottom, you want to go and tap on the More button. In here, select slow motion mode and then point your camera at the subject and then tap on the shutter button to start recording. And that's it. So this is our slow motion video. Here, after you have finished recording, you can tap on the preview or the replay video. So this is the one. Okay, so you can see it perform a slow motion. If you want, you can also edit your slow motion video as well. So tap on the edit button. This will allow you to edit your slow motion videos. You can change the speed, you can trim the videos, and so on. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.